The moral injury is incalculable. There is no recovering from that. There's no receiving damages for that because it affected everyone. And I would even suggest that it's affected the people who supported the Canadian Armed Forces from the outside for civilians. Because I have been a big supporter of the Canadian Armed Forces, for example, and now it's sort of like, do I really want to keep supporting as a civilian? You know, because as a lawyer, I get approached by all kinds of charities, et cetera, wanting support, and in particular military charities because of what I do. And I'm like, you know? But the other piece that's added to this moral injury, because 2 years ago, when people first approached me, part of what they wanted was to be able to keep their jobs or go back to their job, but they'd been released. Right. And now they're like, absolutely not. I have no interest in serving with the forces at all. And yet, yesterday, it came to be that anyone who was released 5F for COVID-19 is now welcome with open arms back to the Canadian Armed Forces. 2 years ago, they were garbage. Today, oh, come on back. Everything's forgiven. After telling them that they had to take these vaccinations because they were going to be 5F'd and their military career was over, they were never going to work for the government again. Most people in the forces considered 5F dishonorable, even though it's technically an honorable one. Not that long ago, it was dishonorable. And now it's like it's all forgiven. This is taking the CAF to the court and saying they went too far. And they need to know they went too far so they don't do it again. And for the Crown to say, oh, the courts have no jurisdiction here. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Because these are still Canadian citizens. And the CDS is still answerable to the laws of Canada.